Hey everyone! Today I'm super excited to share a completely upgraded approach to achieving a glowing.
From targeting the root cause of aging in your gut to powerful topical creams,
These products deliver visible, full-body transformations. But before we dive in,
Make sure to check the link in the description for exclusive prices and deals. Let's get started.
first up is Neotonics, a revolutionary skin gut gummy. This isn't just skincare, it's health from within.
Neotonics targets the root cause of skin aging by dramatically improving your gut health.
By supporting your microbiome, it naturally promotes cell turnover and younger-looking skin.
For anyone seeking a holistic, inside-out approach without relying solely on topical products,
Neotonics is an absolute must-try for a radiant, youthful complexion from the inside out.
Next, let's talk about a powerhouse topical treatment, Cavi Argan Firming Face Cream.
Cavi Argan is incredible if you want fast firming results and intense protection.
Formulated with matrixyl synthesis, vitamin C, vitamin E, and green tea. It acts as a mega booster for collagen production, drastically reducing fine lines.
if you are looking for a complete lifestyle upgrade, the Glow Era 21-day transformation system is perfect.
This isn't just one product. It's a holistic program designed to drastically improve beauty, energy, and confidence.
Over 21 days, the system guides you through a fast, holistic transformation specifically for women.
I love that it combines internal wellness with external beauty routines to give you a true glow.
After completing it, my energy levels skyrocketed, and my face had a naturally healthy radiance.
It is perfect for busy women who need a clear, guided path to reclaiming their youthful vibrancy.
I highly recommend Glow Era for anyone wanting a complete reset that truly supports glowing skin and self-love.
Moving on to an advanced anti-aging solution, Seriskin Plump Peptide Supplement.
Unlike traditional collagen or vitamin routines, Seriskin uses a highly unique peptide formula.
These specific peptides bypass digestion issues to directly target your skin cells.
I noticed the dullness fading within just a few weeks. The texture of my skin feels so incredibly bouncy. If you want skin that looks rejuvenated and deeply hydrated from a cellular level, Seriskin is a must-have.
now for hydration on the go, the Ma Drino Galactomy Essence Mist Ultra and Bifida Biome Ampoule Toner.
This mist delivers deep hydration using 5 different types of hyaluronic acid.
It instantly soothes and calms my skin, making it absolutely perfect for daily use, even over makeup.
Following it up with the Ampoule Toner, it dramatically improves firmness and elasticity. The Bifida ferment ingredients work overtime to strengthen your skin barrier against daily stressors. It leaves my skin plump, hydrated, and perfectly balanced. This combo is ideal for sensitive types.
If you want fresher, brighter, and perfectly soothed skin, the Ma Denyo Duo is my top choice.
Finally, let's explore the incredible Chando Himalaya skincare line.
This line focuses heavily on advanced anti-aging, cellular repair, and extremely gentle skincare.
Powered by unique Himalayan yeast extract, it boosts your skin's natural regeneration process.
It expertly reduces wrinkles and fine lines while keeping my skin beautifully hydrated and glowing.
I noticed a brighter skin tone and vastly improved elasticity after just a few weeks of use.
What makes this line so special is how it supports highly sensitive skin. It's completely free from alcohol, fragrance, and artificial colorants.
Whether you are trying to prevent early signs of aging or repair damaged skin, this gentle care works wonders.
It revitalizes your face naturally without ever being harsh. Chando Himalaya delivers massive results.
These 6 powerful solutions offer something for every skin type and every lifestyle.
For a rapid peptide boost for cellular hydration.
You can achieve professional-grade, glowing results right at home.
or instant calming relief for your skin barrier.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more dermatologist-approved picks.
Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on the best skincare science.
And remember to check the description box below for exclusive links, pricing, and more info.
Take care of your skin, take care of your gut.